For over 45 years, HAB Pro Garage Doors has been serving the McDonough, Georgia area with pride. HAB Pro certified technicians provide the highest quality parts and services available in the industry for residential and commercial overhead doors. Is your garage door opener on the fritz? We carry and service all popular brands, such as LiftMaster, Genie, Linear and more. Maybe it's time to upgrade to a new insulated or more modern garage door? Visit our site and check out our wide selection of popular CHI, Amar, Clopay and more. If your garage door won't open or close properly, you most likely need a spring replacement. We stock the most common brands and sizes for any door you may have, and in most cases, provide same-day service in McDonough. Be sure to Google HAB Pro Garage Doors and check out our hundreds of real 5-star Google customer reviews. Visit us online today to schedule your service, or call us now at 770-985-3355. And we look forward to hearing from you soon.